So you want to know how to withdraw money from TonKeeper in Telegram? Well, I have the solution for you. The first thing you have to do is to go to tonkeeper.com and press this button here in Telegram, and then you will be in Telegram with the chatbot. And the thing you have to do is to press this window that says Keeper. You press it, and here it will ask for your TonKeeper wallet. So if you don't have any, you can press new wallet, but in my case I have. But I think that for showing you, I will create a new one. Okay, so it's generating a wallet. Continue, and here you have to write this down in a paper, in a note block, or in paper, or take a screenshot. So I'm going to do that. And then you press continue, and it will ask for some of the words in the order that it's asking. In example, original, the 8th one was secret, and the 19 was trial. So continue, and here it will ask for a password, so I'm going to do that. Okay, so once you're here, how can we withdraw the money that we have? Well, it's easy. You have to go to Binance or the exchange that you are using. In my case, it's Binance, and you will press the deposit button, deposit crypto, and here you have to select the coin that you want to withdraw from TonKeeper. So make an example. Make that I have a 5 USDT. I press the USDT and press the send button here, and then here in the Binance or the exchange, you press the same coin. You select the TonCoin network, the Ton network. Don't choose Ethereum, don't choose BNB Smart Chain, don't choose Tron. Press Ethereum. Oh, I'm sorry. Press Ton. And here you will have the address that you will copy, and you have the memo that you have to copy to and paste it in the comments. So you press continue, and you send the money. That's simple. You press continue, and in a few minutes you will receive your money here in Binance. So if this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, comment, share, press the bell, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.